everyone, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be removing this builder gel from my nails, and I'm going to show you how I do it. We are going to require acetone, also nail pegs for holding the acetone, and cotton balls. We're going to use this e-file, and I'm going to use that drill to help me out. I'll also need cuticle pusher, hand file, and nail hardener. Let's get into the video. I'll start filing, and I'm going to do it off camera, and after that I'll be back to show you how I file using my e-file. After filing the first layer of the builder gel, here I'm using the e-file to remove the second layer of the builder gel, and I'm going to do that on all of my other fingernails. And then now you go to the second process of soaking them, and now this is the last bit of it, guys, and it took me just 3 minutes to do all this. I try to avoid filing all the way down so as not to damage my nails. As you can see, only thin layer of the builder gel remaining. We're done with the first process, and now my nails are ready for soaking. So I'm using these cotton pads. I'll cut them into 10 small pieces, and then I'll use them with acetone to soak my nails. Here I'm using acetone to soak a little bit on the cotton pads, and then place it on my nail, and then use nail peg to squeeze it. I'm going to repeat the same process on all of my other nails, and then soak them for 5 minutes. Then after that, guys, I'll be back so that I can show you on how I scrape them off. Since the nails are well soaked, I'm going to use the cuticle pusher to remove. As you can see, the builder gel flakes off easily, and more easier to remove the remaining one, and I'll do that on all of my other nails. Here I'm using a buffer to smoothen the surface of my nail. So I'm done with all the process. I've washed my nails. Now the next is to apply the nail hardener. I'm using the Lotion. I love it. It strengthens the nails and also helps in enabling the nails not to break. I usually apply only one layer, and now I'm doing it on my other hand. And that is it, guys, and the final step is to apply the cuticle oil, and that is what I'm doing. I'm happy that the builder gel, once removed well, will never damage your nails unless you just use a lot of force. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.